Hey guys, Nick here from Apollo Optics, and today we're going to be talking about the Baja Designs Fog Pocket Kit for the 2017 and up Gen 2 Ford Raptor. So first we're going to start with the kits that are available. You're going to find three versions of the kit. First is going to be the Sportsman, then the next level above that's going to be the Pro, and then the third level is going to be the Unlimited kit. So let's talk about the difference between the three kits themselves. First, the Sportsman is going to be your entry-level kit. The Sportsman is going to feature all of the mounting hardware and wiring that you see here, and the lights are going to be two Squadron Sport lights. One set will be Spot, the second set will be Driving Combo. Then the third light is going to be the S2 Sport. The S2 Sport puts out 1,130 lumens, and it's going to come in a wide cornering beam pattern. Now, the second level up is going to be the Pro kit. The Pro kit is going to upgrade the Squadron Sport to the Squadron Pro. So you'll have 4 Squadron Pro lights in your kit. The Squadron Pro is going to put out 4,900 lumens per light. You're still going to have a Squadron Pro Spot and a Squadron Pro Driving Combo. And then the third and final kit is going to be the Unlimited kit. The Unlimited kit is going to have 2 major upgrades over the Pro Series kit. The Unlimited kit is going to swap out the Squadron Pro Spot for the Squadron Racer Edition Spot. The Squadron Racer Edition is going to put out slightly less lumens than the Squadron Pro. So the Squadron Racer Edition is going to have 4,300 lumens of output versus the Squadron Pro at 4,900 lumens for output. However, even though the output lumens are lower, you're going to get 40% more distance from the Squadron Racer Edition thanks to the tighter optics. Additionally, with the Unlimited kit, you're going to be upgrading your S2 lights on the outside from the S2 Sport at 1,130 lumens to the S2 Pro at 2,450 lumens. Again, the S2 Pro, like the S2 Sport and the other kits, is going to be in a wide cornering pattern. So the Unlimited kit is going to feature 2 Squadron Racer Edition lights in a spot pattern, 2 Squadron Pro Driving Combo lights, and 2 S2 Pro wide cornering lights. So let's open the boxes and check these out. Okay, so here's a look at a Squadron Pro. As you'll notice, there are 4 Allen head screws around the outside. Again, thanks to Baja Design's use service, you can unbolt these 4 Allen screws, remove the light's faceplate, and replace the existing lens with a different lens if you choose to do so. You may do this for 2 reasons. One, if you want to change out your beam pattern to really dial it in, you have the options of Spot, Driving Combo, Wide Cornering, Amber Driving Combo, and Amber Wide Cornering. So if you'd like to go with permanently amber lights, all you have to do is swap out this lens right here. Now, if you're looking for a less permanent solution to add that amber lighting when you need it, you could also purchase the Baja Designs Rock Guards. The Rock Guards are snap-on amber covers available for both the Squadron and the S2 lights. Simply place a light over the top, snap it into place, and now you've effectively changed your output color to amber. And the Rock Guards are available for both the Squadron and the S2 light. Now let's talk about the rest of the parts that are included with the kit. Most importantly, you're going to have your brackets. Each of these brackets allows you to put all 3 lights on either side of the truck. You're going to have room for your Squadron, and then your S2. Now, once you have the lights attached to the brackets, then bolt the brackets into the truck. When you're installing your lights to the brackets, install them finger tight because you still want to have the ability to dial in and adjust the angle of the light to optimize the output for your truck and your needs. Now, I know there's been a lot of confusion about what to do with all this wiring, so today we're going to break it down in detail and really show you how it works. For starters, let's understand how the entire kit functions. All of this wiring is built to have all 6 lights light up with the use of 2 auxiliary switches. By using 2 switches, you're going to have 4 lights on one switch and 2 lights on a second switch. What most of our customers do is they install each of their S2s together on one switch and then put all 4 of their squadrons on a secondary switch. When hooking them up to your various auxiliary switches, be sure to be mindful of the amperage output so that you're using the appropriate amp switch for the amount of power draw that you're going to be using. For this example, we're going to assume that you're going to put all 4 squadron lights on one switch and the other 2 S2 lights on your second switch. So let's start with these small splitters. Plug each of your squadron lights on your driver's side of the truck on this side. Connect your passenger side squadrons on this side. That'll leave you with these 2 wires here. Now you're going to take your 55-inch splitter harness. You'll notice that this has 2 male ends of the plug and 1 female end. The 2 male ends are spread far apart. One of these is going to go on each side of your truck. Then you're going to have another female end for your output harness. So you're going to have 4 squadrons running on this splitter switch, and then you're going to have a second harness that looks just like this to connect both of your S2 lights together. Now, once you've connected both of your 55-inch splitter harnesses together, you're going to be left with 2 female ends. Each female end of your splitter harness is going to plug into this male end of your Ford upfitter wiring harness. This harness makes it incredibly easy to tap directly into your Ford factory upfitter switches. Simply plug this end in to the female end of your splitter harness, and then you're going to be left with 2 wires. You're going to have your main power wire connected right here. Simply connect your auxiliary switch wire to the white wire and then snap this shut. Then you're going to have your ring terminal for your ground. There are factory ground points on your passenger side firewall to connect this ring terminal to. So to sum things up, you're going to start with your 2 squadrons on one side of the truck, plug each of those into your 1 output wire. Then you're going to take your output plug on one side, your output plug on the other side, and then you're going to have your final output for those 4 sets of wires. And then you're going to have your final output plug for all 4 lights right here. Then you'll plug this end of the harness into your Ford upfitter harness right here, and then make your wiring connections for power to your auxiliary wiring and to your ground. Let's go take a look at what these look like on the truck. Okay guys, so now that we've gone through a thorough overview of the kit and we've seen a little bit of footage of what the system looks like once it's installed on the truck, we've got a better and more clear understanding of how the kit works. You can go to our website for more information about the fog light kits. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below or feel free to go to our website and click on the Contact Us page and fill out the form to shoot us an email. Or as always, you can email us directly at sales@apollo-optics.com. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to helping you get set up.